Hey guys, what's up? This is Shantanu Pananspe and I welcome you all to another episode of Stock a Day. So today we are going to discuss a stock called Adani Ports Sez. So little bit fundamentals and little bit technicals too. So let's start. Okay, so you must be knowing what the company Adani Port does, right? So Adani Ports is into a logistic kind of thing. So it acquires ports and it runs business on various ports, right? So these are the fundamentals of the company. At present, the company is a large cap company and it is having a PE of around 28.3 as compared to the industry PE of 28.9. So it is fairly valued, I would say. And there has been a lot of correction in this particular stock because of even Nifty also correcting. So it gives us a good opportunity to trade in the particular stock. However, if you compare the book value of particular stock, it is around 154, and as compared to that particular book value, the stock is currently in the range of 740. So it is little bit overvalued compared to its book value, but we don't see book value as much because we generally focus on the intrinsic value of the particular stock. Now let's move on to the technicals of the stock and let's see what this stock gives us. So on the daily chart of this stock, the stock is forming a descending or a symmetric triangle pattern. Now the earlier trend of this particular stock is a bullish trend. So that's why this is a descending triangle pattern, which gives us a trade on both sides. So either we can go bullish if the trend line breaches on the upper side, or we can go bearish when the trend line breaches on the downside. Now, if we observe this Adani Ports, so it started its upward journey long back in 2020, and then it kind of went into a consolidation phase. And there is a long consolidation phase of a year around that. The stock hasn't given much returns. So now the entire channel of this particular stock, is narrowing down a bit, and this gives you a perfect breakout trade. And I'm hoping I'm on the bullish side because the earlier trend was bullish. So we can see a continuing trend after the breakout of this symmetrical triangle. Now, what is meant by symmetrical triangle? So let's see that like a concept thing. So symmetrical triangles are the triangles where the price action grows increasingly narrow, just like we saw in Adani Ports, and it should be followed by a breakout to either upside or downside. So we need to have a breakout on either a downside or an upside to trade in the particular stock. So all the traders or investors should take a trade only after a breakout on either side. So in between, you may not get much returns. Obviously, you can play on the trend line sides, say like trend line buy at bottom trend line, but it is advisable to take a trade on breakout side only, and that too if the trend line is supported by volumes. Now let's see how a typical symmetrical triangles looks like. So this is basically a symmetrical triangle. Now you will see a previous uptrend, and then the stock kind of went into a consolidation where the channel gets narrower on day by day, and then finally it breaches out and it gives a wonderful return. So this is how we can take a trade when there is a symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, so this is for today's stock. We'll again meet for tomorrow. But before going, we are having a small announcement with you. So we are conducting a basic stock market course where we'll teach you about how the stock market works, fundamentals of stock market, a little bit about technical analysis, and little bit about options and futures. So it starts on 21st February and it goes till 25th February. The timing is 9 to 10 p.m. Again, it is on Google Meet and the fees are mentioned in the screenshot. So hope you like this video. Please share this video to your friends, ask them to like, and also subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.